Hi, welcome to Math Like TV. Ngayon po ang video ito, aking tuturo sa inyo, Properties of Logarithms. Ngayon ang inyong matutunan sa video ito about itong formula o expanded form sa mga properties of logarithm. Una, logarithm of a product, logarithm of a quotient, and logarithm of a power. Tapos nyo lamang ang video ito hanggang sa dulo upang kayo ay mayroong matutunan. Ngayon, ang logarithm of a products, ang kanyang role dito, the logarithm of the product of positive real numbers is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the factors to the given base. In symbols, so ito yung kanyang formula, log of xy with the base of a equals log of x with the base of a plus log of y with the base of a. So dito meron na siyang operation na addition. Yan ang kanyang expanded form. Example, log of 2p times 3q with the base of x equals, so itong dalawang coefficient 2p at saka 3q, ating silang paghiwalayin, so lagyan natin ito ng addition na operation. So ito ay log of 2p with the base of x plus log of 3q with the base of x. So ito po ang kanyang expanded form. Ngayon, paano naman siya i-transform into single logarithm? Example, ang kanyang given ay log of 60 with the base of b plus log of 3 with the base of b. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin to transform a single logarithm, so log of 60 then times 3 with the base of b. Okay? So, yan po ang kanyang form of single logarithm. Ngayon, ating siyang simplify. 60 at saka 3, pwede natin i-multiply. So, that is 60 times 3, that is log of 180 with the base of b. Ito po ang kanyang single form of logarithm. Ngayon, ang kasunod na property, ito yung logarithm of quotients. The logarithm of the quotient of two positive real numbers is equal to the logarithm of the dividend minus the logarithm of the divisor. In symbols, log of x over y with the base of a equals log of x with the base of a minus log of y with the base of a. Yan po ang kanyang expanded form. Example, log of 50 over 3 with the base of 7 equals, so itong dividend na 50, so sulat natin log of 50 with the base of 7, then minus itong divisor na 3, so log of 3 with the base of 7. So ito po ang kanyang expanded form. So meron na siyang operation dito na subtraction. Ngayon, paano naman siya is-transform sa single logarithm pagdating dito sa logarithm of quotients? So example, ang given ay log of 80 with the base of b minus log of 5 with the base of b. So, ang kanyang single term dito equals log of 80 over 5 with the base of b. Or, yung 80 at saka over 5, pwede natin siyang ating ma-simplify. Okay, that is log of, so 80 divided by 5, that is 16. So, log of 16 with the base of b. So, ito po ang kanyang single logarithm dito sa logarithm of quotients. Next property, logarithm of powers. The logarithm of the power of a positive real number is equal to the exponent times the logarithm of the number to the given base. In symbols or formula, log of x raised to n with the base of a equals n times log of x with the base of a. Example, log of 6 squared with the base of 2 equals 2 times logarithm of 6 with the base of 2. So, ito po ang kanyang expanded form. Ngayon, paano naman siya express sa single logarithm dito sa logarithm of powers? Halimbawa, ang given ay 3 times logarithm of x with the base of b plus 2 times logarithm of y with the base of b minus 1/2 times logarithm of z with the base of b. Una, ating siyang i-transform into exponential form. So that is log of x cubes with the base of b plus log of y squared with the base of b minus log of z raised to 1/2 with the base of b. If you observe itong first term at saka second term, dahil meron siyang addition sa kanyang operation, ito ay under siya sa logarithm of product. So ating siyang i-transform into logarithm of product. That is of log of x cubes times y cubes. The base of b. Then kopyahin natin itong minus log of itong exponent na fraction. So itong z ay under siyang radical sign. And makikita natin meron siyang subtraction. So ito ay under siya sa logarithm of quotients. So ngayon ating siyang i-express sa single term. So ito po ang kanyang form sa log of x cubes y squared. Ito ang ating dividend over positive square root of z with base b. Yan po Kamat Like TV. Kaya ngayon kung meron tutunan, pakipindot naman ang like, at kung bago pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video na i-upload sa aking channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.